passamento, 1, 2, syncopation, 3 and 4. We throw the arm and we go syncopation back, 5 and 6 connection, and then we break to the side 7. I have the left hand on her right hand and the right on her hip. I give her the spin, 8, 1, block 2. Be careful with the hand flip, don't go very fast, go a little bit before. Give her the spin back, 3, cha-cha, 4 and 5. Right hand connection, the left hand connection. 6, we go 7, connection with the 5, 8, we bring her, we turn her, we walk, we lead her up and the leg, we go away from the girl, raising our leg, we slide, we block on the 4 from the both sides, we do a chassé to the side, 5 and 6, and then we bring her to the side, 7, 8, and we can add this hip styling if you want